When the road gets heavy on your soul and the world feels colder than before, when the weight you carry feels too much and you can't find what you're fighting for, arrow here, don't lose your flame. Even when life don't feel the same, there's a fire in you that still remains, and strength inside your pains, and strength inside your pain. And when you feel like letting go, just remember what you know. Hold your light arrow, don't let it fade. Even when the sky turns gray, you're stronger, the hurt you hide, braver than the tears you cry. When the world tries to pull you down, don't lose yourself now. Deep inside your heart you'll find the hero's been there the whole time. Every scar's a story written on your skin, proof of every fight you, every fall just taught to rise and face the dawn again. Arrow, I know the road gets long and long, and sometimes hope feels almost gone, but every step you take in faith is proof that you are strong. So when the shadows fill your mind, look within and you will find. Hold your light arrow, don't let it fade. Even when the sky turns gray, you're stronger, the hurt you hide, braver than the tears you cry. When the world tries to pull you down, don't lose yourself now. Deep inside your heart you'll find the hero's been there the whole time.
Kapag bumagsak ka, araw, bangon ka ulit. Lahat ng sugat sa puso mo balang araw mapapalit ng lakas at tapang na hindi din basta mawaglit. Bawat sakit na dinanas mo'y dahilan ng pag-angat. Sa dilim ng gabi, ikaw ang ilaw na buhay. Kahit ilbagyo ang dumating, hindi ka mamamatay. Lahat ng luha mo magiging lakas sa tagumpay, at bawat pagkatalo magiging daan sa tunay. Maraming takot na gustong humila pababa, maraming boses na dudurog sa iyong pag-asa, pero ang puso mo araw hindi basta mawala. Bayani ka sa laban at sa hirap ng tadhana, kaya itaas ang noo, wag kang susuko. Lahat ng pangarap mo darating, maniwala rito. Ang lakas na sa'yo na wag mong itatago. Bayani ka na noon pa, araw, tandaan mo.
And if you fall, I'll be right here to remind you through the fear that every shadow has its end, and every heart can heal again. Every heart, oh, don't forget your name. You were built to get your name. You were built to face the pain, and through the fire, through the rain, you'll rise again. Hold your light arrow, let it shine. Even the longest night, the strength is yours to claim, and you'll never be the same. When you found how strong you've always been, the hero you were searching for was living underneath your skin. Hold your light arrow, don't let go. Through the dark, your spirit show inside was there all along.